Hello everybody, this is a quick video on how to draw trend lines. So first, this is a SPY ticker on weekly candles, and let's try to draw a trend line. So most easiest way to draw a trend line, it can go up or it can go down. So you pick the lowest low, which is right here in this chart, then you connect it to other lower lows. So lower low here, then higher low here, higher low here, then higher low here. So this is the trend line. You click here, you can see all these lines. So you get the trend line and you click right here, so you can see it's now you can draw. So you will connect to, which is right here. That's the second one, and as you can see, this one's not touching if we go from here. So what we will do, we will use this one instead, and that one, once you use that one, you can see it touches here and here and also here. And so that gives one, which is here, 2, 3, and see what happens when it comes to the fourth section. Let's leave it as that. Trend lines uses 3 touches, 1, 2, 3, and the expectation is when the fourth touch, when this was coming down here, if you go like this, the replay mode, so you got your trend line, 1 touch, 2nd touch, 3rd touch, and the 4th touch you would expect the price to bounce off this trend line. So if we play candle by candle, as you can see, it broke a tiny bit of the trend line. This is exactly what you would expect. If you just speed it up, and once it broke the previous point, which is right here, you would expect it to push through. Okay, let's leave that. Okay, so that's pretty much trend lines.